Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is U.S. Department of State approves possible $1.98 billion Anduril counter-drone system sale to Kuwait under foreign military sale. The U.S. Department of State has approved a possible foreign military sale to Kuwait for counter-unmanned aerial systems platforms and related equipment. The estimated total cost of the proposed sale is $1.98 billion. The government of Kuwait requested the purchase of counter-unmanned aerial systems platforms. The package includes Anduril systems and related equipment designed to provide electronic and kinetic defeat capabilities against unmanned aerial systems. The non-major defense equipment covered by the proposed sale includes Roadrunner munition and Anvil kinetic platforms. It also includes launch boxes, lattice command and control, long-range sentry tower, with fire control, and long-range sentry tower 82 mobile. The package also includes extended range sentry towers and maritime sentry towers. Additional systems include pulsar electromagnetic warfare equipment, Menace tactical operations centers, generators, publications, personnel training, and software development. The proposed sale also includes U.S. government and contractor engineering, technical and logistics support services. Other related elements of logistics and program support are included in the package. The State Department said the sale would support U.S. foreign policy and national security objectives. It said the sale would improve the security of Kuwait, a major non-NATO ally, described as an important force for political stability and economic progress in the Middle East. The department said the proposed sale would improve Kuwait's ability to meet current and future threats. It said Kuwait would have no difficulty absorbing the articles and services into its military police forces. The State Department said the proposed sale of the equipment and support would not alter the basic military balance in the region. Anduril, based in Costa Mesa, California, will be the principal contractor. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.